Yeah, struggles of traveling with parents.
1, 2, 3.
Good morning. Today we're headed to Waimea Canyon. It's known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. Originally I didn't have it in my schedule because we already went halfway to this area yesterday. So I was debating if we should go back again, but every time I ask everybody, they're like, oh, you have to go see it. So we're gonna go spend the day out there, come back, go swimming, and that will be pretty much the end of our trip. Let's go. Red dirt waterfall. I'm on the side of the road right now, so TBD if this is the right location. I saw another family doing this same walk, so maybe it is. And they said there's no real parking, so let's see. We've made a pit stop at a picnic area. I don't like papaya.
I am here. Okay. Well,
Tastes like a cantaloupe. The ones that we have are not like that. Almost like a mango. Oh. Fascinating. I don't even like papaya.
well, all right.
I don't like papaya, but it tastes like a mango. My mother refuses to literally spend money on dinner, and so she's like, I'm gonna buy myself a cheap papaya. The papaya was $10. Anyways, now she refuses to eat, and I bought an extra house salad for her, and she doesn't want to eat it because it's bought. But she's making her noodles in there. Yeah, struggles of traveling with parents. So me and my dad are gonna have some KAUAI sushi station. Let me show you guys. The workers are very nice. Got some house salad, basic salad, and we got eel and soy sauce. And then this is the platter. This is the pink salmon, which is salmon on salmon, rainbow, Hanalei rainbow, and then this is the unagi eel roll. It has avocado in it, I believe. Yes. Cheers.
Huh? Man.
Hot salad is good.
Did know?
The sauce is good. This is, let me show you. the pink salmon. Look at that. Salmon on salmon. Looks delicious. I'm gonna dip in eel sauce and a little bit of soy sauce. Yep. Salmon is good. This is the eel and cucumbers, I believe. I'm gonna dip in eel sauce. Good that?
Cá là cái gì thì biết không?
Eel.
Eel?
And that's our classic rainbow roll. I know that lady's gonna get hungry. Of course, one papaya is not gonna make her full. Now she making noodles. Of course, you can't just have a papaya for dinner, Mom. My dad is a salad dressing dipper. So today I am. Wanna try it?
Bà chưa chắc là mãi chắc là không chín.
Wow, Hawaii style.
Má nó ngon hay. Má nó ngon hay. Quá ăn vậy cho con ăn đó. Má nó có dặn. Má nó có dặn. Má nó dành cho con ăn. Má nó ngon. Đuổi mấy cái đe ra. Bộ ra đưa cho con ăn ha.
I told my mom to go swimming over there. There's no waves or anything in that kiddie pool. It's nice. And this is my mom. Can you float, Mom? Can you float? Like lay down on your back? Yeah, relax, relax. And then put your hands in the air.
Eat.
You eat it? My mom says they eat coral in Vietnam. Oh, chair. My mom says that they put the coral in the chair, like a jello dessert in English. Wait. Oh, it's a rock. Got my snorkel gear on. We're gonna check out this little pool. Let's go. Finished our last night here in Kauai, snorkeling. Say bye, Mom.
Bye bye.
Say bye, Dad.
Bye Hawaii.